Tyson Jammer here, and this is the first kind of test run of the sim being rebuilt. You guys think about what might be behind me, so we'll see. I have got everything turned on, and we'll see how good she works. So it's literally going to get to the end of the runway, circle around, take off, come back. We might not even come all the way back, but I just want to see if it works. So you guys have a good one. Hang on, there won't be much talking because I'm going to pay attention to all the stuff. And I wonder, I want you to be able to see this, so I will take a video with my phone. You can see me doing it here, and you can kind of see how the sim is set up. So same thing, right monitor, got our webcam, our gauge panel. None of these are hooked up yet, however they will be, and then they'll all work. Stream Deck, and my radios obviously don't fit. It's a pretty different size hole there, so I'm gonna build a filler panel for that. Left monitor, sorry, I said those all backwards. The other one was left monitor, right monitor. Got a little desk set up, and old throttle quadrant. This is hollow behind here, except for the 3/4 inch plywood. So I'm gonna cut a big hole and make a faceplate for the old throttle set that we had. And eventually I'll put a switch panel here, but for right now, using these switches. So yeah, hang tight, and we'll see. You know, while you're watching, let's just see the gauges work. See RPM moving. So I hit the plane over there. Yeah, you can see turn coordinator working, heading indicators working. We have our oil pressure and oil pump and fuel gauges down there, our fuel flow works. Let's not go off into the highway there. The trim indicator, or sorry, flaps indicator. So yeah, and this says that at least on this program we've ran 6 hours running these gauges. Amp gauge should be fluctuating because I do have power going to things, so that gauge doesn't work for this, but baro gauge, altitude, Colesman. All right, let's just see. Give her full power. Oof. Yep, speed is coming alive. 40, 50, 60, 65, rotate. Pulling up. Right now, this is my trim. Got electric trim. There we go. Good. So everything so far seems to be working good. We already saw the flaps working, but flaps are working there. Cool. All right. Take it around. It is quite a bit different getting used to it. This setup uses a 20-inch monitor behind that panel that you saw, and it because it's a monitor, my yoke has to be way underneath it, and the sim, back to the airport here, the actual airplane, I could only get a 14-inch monitor in, so the yoke was way up, and I could do that in here, although I really like having these gauges this size. It's almost the size of the real gauges. Pay attention, because we're way too high, but take her down to about 1800. You can't see it. Actually, I set up this, I set up this guy. Let's see if I can find it on here. Yeah, there you go. So you got the webcam, and you have the left and right screens. Oh, that's what's missing is the big middle screen, duh. But you can also see the gauge screen. That's kind of awesome, actually. So, go back where we were. And that's just the main screen out front. Okay, so I gotta remember that. I did what you're not supposed to do, and I lost the runway, so there's Hillsboro. It's like the airport right there, actually. 500. Oh, you actually don't get that plane speed slide. On a nifty. Turn around here real quick. That looks like it doesn't. It is it. Some flaps thrown in here. This is not the way to do it. Oh. It looks like it's not doing it on the actual or on the actual stream, so that's good. But my monitor, just turned off in front of me. There it is. It's back. So, you guys, in the Streamlabs, I'm able to tell it to look for a actual game stream and not per monitor, right? So that's what you see right there. But it knows that it's on this channel or on this monitor channel, and it doesn't really care what's on the actual monitor because it's trying to grab the game. Well, my monitor completely shut off before I got to the runway, and had I actually looked to my right, the Streamlabs was up and I could see it, but I did not do that. So, yeah, well, it worked. Anyway. So as cool as it would be to have ramp marshals at Twin Oaks, we do not. But still kind of cool. Okay, well, I just wanted to do that real quick just to see how things are working. It kind of works. I know that on this screen here, you know what I should do on this screen is to take off the webcam and just have the full screen going. I think that would be best. Okay, so back here. So hey, hope you enjoyed this. Obviously, getting rid of the airplane was a tough decision. However, I wanted to go to this setup, so I don't know if it'll show up, but I have a driving wheel back there that I can swap in really easily. And then we can do driving and flying stuff. So that was the reason to take the sim out. That plane will be put up for sale sometime in the next couple weeks. So if you are interested in that, just let me know. And yeah, sorry, I was focusing ahead because the screen just turned off again. And I guess maybe that TV is going bad. So, alright, anyway, you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for growing this channel so big here on YouTube. My son came by, he's one of my subscribers, and he told me to make sure I say in my videos that my main channel stuff is on YouTube, because he said he sees it on TikTok, and I said that I have 400 subscribers, and he went and checked, and I only have 30 on TikTok, because my main thing is on YouTube. So he's like, hey, make sure that you say that so you don't put out misleading information. So if you happen to be seeing this on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, just know that the best way to get the whole content is over on YouTube. Even if you're on YouTube Shorts, go over to the main channel. That's where majority of everything gets posted. And yeah, so we're at 422 subscribers on YouTube, and I would like to hit 500 by the end of the year. So I don't know if that's possible. That's only a week away. We'll see. So YouTube, do your thing. Get the subscribers coming in. You guys have a great day, and remember, land safely.